Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get the bubble wrapper marker from Find the Markers. It's very easy even though it's extreme, but trust me, by the end of this video you will have the bubble wrapper marker. Okay. You have to follow all of my steps. Alright? Okay. So first, we need to go to the mountain. That's the mountain right over there. It's near here. Okay? Let me just go. How did he die? Yeah. Climb this ladder and then this God and yeah, and then this ladder and go over here. Now you'll be in like a keyboard area. Now you have to type Hill Rock. That's it. Then something will pop on your screen. Type Hill Rock again. Just like this. Another pop-up will come. And now type it one last time. One last time, Hill Rock. And there you go. You have the cough marker. Is it called the cough marker? I don't know. But that's how you can get that marker.